All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol RKT, Rocket Companies Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. The first thing I want to state is welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Hope you guys find this informative and helpful. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you for your support, engaging in conversation with one another, and commenting down below anything you want to piggyback off of what I state, or even just you know, explaining your positions, how you feel about the stock. As long as it's informative and helpful to other investors, I really appreciate that, and it shows the community that we're building here. So highly speaks in volumes of you guys, and thank you guys. Let's jump into this chart. So very bullish run from starting down here at the $17 mark, and it was getting close to hitting that if it broke through support, and it hit highs for RKT of $26, and that is significant. That's the highest point this stock reached, and that's what the bulls are going to want to break through. So they have a lot of work to do to get back over there because the Bears have torn them down. They tried to recover, got torn down again, and here we are seeing a point of return, right? The bulls have definitely broke through the 50-day moving average, bringing this above the resistance level and having it well above it significantly by a total of 40 cents, I'd say, and they can use this to continue the momentum in this direction. So let's go ahead and move the resistance level to its new points of reference, and let's zoom in on it for us to see what is important for tomorrow. Obviously, the 50-day moving average is below the closing price. This closed out at 20.05, and 50-day moving average is 19.49. As long as it stays above that, the bulls are in full control, they're in full health, and they can continue their bullish runs. Until then, the Bears are really going to try their best to work towards tearing this one down. So we're going to want to look at these points. This was the highest point reached throughout the day, and that's 20.77. That is significant because if that gets broken through, that means that the first resistance level was broken through. This level of resistance of 20.77 has been broken through, and this can hit new highs and break through newer levels of resistance. But before 20.77 is important, and before we even focus on that, 2050 is what the bulls are going to want to break through. That's the first level of resistance. Use it as support to work their way up to newer levels. Now, on the other spectrum of things, we have what the Bears want to do. And the Bears are going to want to tear through 1990 and bring this down to newer lows. Now, if 1990 does get broken through, I would not jump, quickly to conclusions that the Bears have won, because there is a window of space between 1990 and 1949, which is the 50-day moving average, of where the bulls can reappear. But I'd pay close attention to how the stock reacts if this support level is broken through. Is it quickly moving down to the 50-day moving average and almost on its way down to bearish territory, or is it slightly breaking through it and kind of hanging out and trying to recover? Because it could break through it, and obviously it kind of levels out a little bit below it, and the bulls can take advantage of the price and bring this one back up. So it's really good to always pay close attention to the stock and then make a rational investment decision from there, depending on your position and how you feel about the company and where the stock is going. So I hope that this helps. Just keep in mind the support, keep in mind the resistance, and the 50-day moving average to know who is in control and who is maintaining the upper hand. Right now, the bulls are winning, and the bulls are going to want to break through 2050 to continue their way up. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll have to see how this one plays out, and share this with your friends and community. Hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. For those first-time subscribers, don't forget to click the bell. If you feel inclined to subscribe, you're more than welcome to. You can comment down below any feedback or anything you would like to share as well. I encourage that all the time, and I appreciate that from you all. So see how this plays out, and let's make some money.